Welcome back to Bike Zone Pro, your trusted destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we're diving into a machine that perfectly blends vintage soul with modern muscle, the 2025 Harley Davidson Panhead. A true tribute to the golden era of motorcycling, this beast has returned with a vengeance. Whether you're a die-hard Harley fan or a curious rider, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about the revived Panhead, from its iconic design cues to its cutting-edge performance. A legend returns. The original Harley Davidson Panhead, produced from 1948 to 1965, holds a mythical status among motorcycle enthusiasts. Its name came from the unique shape of the rocker covers, which resembled cooking pans. Fast forward to 2025, Harley Davidson has breathed new life into this legend, merging retro aesthetics with modern-day engineering. The 2025 Panhead isn't just a motorcycle, it's a rolling piece of history reimagined for today's roads. Design, old school meets modern. The 2025 Panhead is a visual masterpiece. Harley Davidson stayed true to the vintage silhouette, the teardrop tank, solo saddle, and rigid style frame all scream classic. But this isn't a museum piece. The updated frame features lightweight alloy construction, while subtle LED lighting and a digital instrument cluster are seamlessly integrated to maintain the bike's vintage look. From the matte chrome finish to the retro Harley badge, every detail is designed to stir nostalgia without compromising function. Engine and performance, the heart of the beast. At the heart of the 2025 Panhead is a reworked Milwaukee 8121 V-twin, air and oil-cooled to keep the vintage feel alive. It delivers a thunderous 125 horsepower and around 140 Nm of torque, offering that signature low-end grunt that Harley riders crave. The engine has been tuned to mimic the original Panhead sound profile, complete with deep rumble and old-school exhaust note. But under the hood, it's all modern, with ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, and enhanced fuel injection. Technology, modern features in a retro shell. Despite its old-school charm, the 2025 Panhead is packed with modern tech. You get cornering ABS, traction control, and even cruise control for those long open-road rides. The digital dash gives you access to navigation, ride stats, and Bluetooth connectivity, all within a vintage-style analog housing. This balance of retro visuals with advanced safety and convenience makes it one of the most rideable heritage-style bikes Harley has ever built. Comfort and ride experience, built for the road. The Panhead may look old-school, but it rides like a dream. Harley has equipped it with Showa dual bending valve forks in the front and a hidden monoshock at the rear, giving it that classic hardtail look without compromising ride comfort. The seating position is laid back, with mid-mounted foot controls and wide handlebars offering a relaxed posture, perfect for cruising highways or showing off downtown. Whether you're doing 50 or 100 miles, this bike holds its own. Customization, a true Harley tradition. No Harley is complete without personalization. The 2025 Panhead comes with a massive range of factory and aftermarket customization options. From retro-styled leather saddlebags and chrome trim kits to performance exhausts and handlebar swaps, you can turn this Panhead into your own rolling statement. Harley has also launched a limited edition, Heritage Series, accessory line just for the Panhead, a nod to its 1948 roots. Price and availability. The 2025 Panhead is positioned as a premium heritage cruiser, with a starting price around $24,000. It's available in 3 finishes, classic chrome, vintage black, and a limited edition retro blue. Pre-orders have already begun, and Harley plans to roll out global deliveries by mid-2025. It's not a budget bike, but then again, legends don't come cheap. Closing thoughts, is it worth it? The 2025 Harley Davidson Panhead is more than just a motorcycle. It's a tribute, a rebirth, and a bold statement that the past still has a place in the future. If you're someone who appreciates classic style, powerful performance, and the legacy of one of motorcycling's most iconic names, the new Panhead might just be your next ride. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Zone Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of motorcycles. Ride safe, and keep the rubber side down. Let me know if you'd like a voiceover script version or subtitles too.